62% of solo founders run their entire business in Notion. 18% are on Airtable. 12% on Coda. Each of those founders thinks they picked correctly. Most of them are wrong. Today I'm running the actual head-to-head test on the 3 platforms across the 7 daily use cases that determine which one fits your operation. I migrated my own business between all 3 over the last 12 months. Same data, same workflows, same team of 1. The differences are not what the marketing pages tell you. There's a clear winner per use case but no overall winner. Pick wrong for your specific operation and you waste 8 to 15 hours per week on workarounds. This is the actual test. Most platform comparisons online are sponsored. The reviewer gets paid by one of the 3 to position theirs as the winner. The honest comparison is harder because the answer depends entirely on which workflows dominate your week. Stick with me at minute 5. I'll show you the 7-question framework that picks correctly in 90 seconds. Here's why most operators pick wrong. 3 years ago you default to Notion. Free tier was generous, the docs were beautiful, the community was massive. The catch was databases. Notion treats databases as second-class citizens. Slow queries, weak relations, no real automation. For a business doing 30+ monthly transactions or tracking 1,000+ customers, Notion's database fell apart. By 2026, each platform leans harder into its strength. Notion went all in on AI-native documents. Airtable went all in on serious databases plus automation. Coda went all in on the apps from docs model. The right answer for your business in 2026 might be different from what worked in 2024. So which one wins for which use case? 7 head-to-head tests. Number 7 is where most operators get it wrong. Test 7. Document-first knowledge management. Use case. Long-form internal docs, SOPs, meeting notes, decisions, weekly reviews. Winner, Notion by a wide margin. Airtable's docs are an afterthought. Coda's docs are good, but the database tooling weighs the experience down for plain reading. If 60% or more of your weekly work involves writing or reading internal documents, Notion is the right choice. Test 6. Customer database with relations. Use case. Customer records, relationships between customers and projects, customers and invoices, customers and tickets. Winner, Airtable, by a wide margin. Notion's relations are limited and slow at scale. Codas are powerful but require more setup. Airtable handles 50,000 row tables with multi-table joins natively. If you're tracking more than 200 customers with multiple data points each, Airtable is the right choice. Test 5. Daily task management. Use case. Personal to-do lists, project task tracking, sprint planning, recurring tasks. Winner, Notion or a dedicated tool. Airtable is too heavy for personal tasks. Coda works but the daily UX feels like overkill. Notion's task databases plus templates for daily reviews fit the workflow naturally. If you live in your task list daily, Notion is the right choice. Or use a purpose-built tool like Linear or Todoist and skip the platform debate. Test 4. Content pipeline management. Use case. Track YouTube videos, blog posts, newsletters from idea through publish, with status, deadlines, deliverables, attached files. Winner, tied between Airtable and Notion, depending on volume. Under 50 pieces of content per month, Notion's database with attached docs works fine. Above that, Airtable's automation and bulk operations save serious time. Test 3. Customer onboarding workflow. Use case. Lead comes in, they fill a form, status updates auto, you get notified, they get drip emails. Winner, Airtable. Their automation tooling is dramatically better than Notion's. Coda's automations are powerful but require packed development. Airtable interfaces let you build the customer-facing form without any code. If you have a customer-facing workflow that needs to update internal data, Airtable is the right choice. Test 2. Building a custom internal app. Use case. You want a tool that looks like a real app, with custom views, buttons, forms, calculated fields, that runs your specific business process. Winner, Coda by a wide margin. The apps from docs model means you can ship a working internal tool in a day. Buttons that trigger actions, packs that integrate with external services, formulas that work like spreadsheets. If you frequently build internal tooling for yourself or your team, Coda is the right choice. Test 1, the big one, AI native workflows. Use case: auto-summarize meetings, draft emails from CRM context, generate weekly reports, query your documents in natural language. Winner: Notion in 2026. Notion AI plus the platform integration is dramatically ahead of the other two. Airtable has AI fields, but they're slower and less integrated. Coda has Coda AI, but coverage is uneven across the platform. If you want AI to be a primary part of your daily workflow, Notion is the right choice. So how do you actually decide? 7 questions. Answer yes or no to each. 1. Do I write more than read documentation in my work? If yes, lean Notion. 2. Do I have more than 200 customer records with multiple data fields? If yes, lean Airtable. 3. Do I need automation that triggers from external events? If yes, lean Airtable. 4. Do I frequently build small internal tools or apps? If yes, lean Coda. 5. Is AI assistance a core daily workflow? If yes, lean Notion. 6. Do I want one platform for everything? If yes, the answer depends on what dominates above. 7. Am I a team of one without ops complexity? If yes, Notion's simplicity wins regardless. The pattern that emerges: if 4 out of 7 questions point to Notion, pick Notion. Same for Airtable, same for Coda. If your answers are mixed, the answer is usually Notion plus one of the others: Notion for docs and AI, Airtable for the customer database, Coda only if you build internal tools weekly. Solo OS POV. Most solo founders end up needing Notion plus Airtable. Notion for docs, knowledge, AI workflows. Airtable for the structured data, customers, projects, financials.